Time to go check the trap. I got a mustache this time. I think it's gonna work. I'm pretty sure we got one. Oh my gosh, we only have one and he's huge. We can't keep this. Holy cow. Look how beautiful that fish is. We're gonna let this guy go. That is an absolute beautiful green sunfish. See you later, buddy. Well, we caught one, but it was enormous, so we threw it back. And then we searched around, kind of played in the rocks. Didn't find anything, but we put the trap back in there, put it a little further into that shade, so maybe that helps, maybe not, I don't know. We'll see.